Hey, before you want to view any show you need to know this. Here's a realistic expectation that everybody should have. First of all, study the layout. That is the most important. Please, and please don't get distracted by all those luxurious furnitures and fancy lighting because those don't come with the house. Unless you are buying a partially or fully furnished package lah. But even then, it still won't look exactly the same. So before you even step inside, ask the agent for the brochure and layout. Quite a lot of people will walk in unprepared and straight away fall in love with all those furnitures instead of the house itself. And then they said, hiya, developer scam lah, dirty trick lah. No, this is actually just a marketing. And they are not wrong by doing that. The furnitures is just a suggested renovation ideas. But of course, they didn't just say it out loud lah. So at the end of the day, due diligence is on you. Because buying a house is one of the biggest commitment in your life. So think carefully.